Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. My name is Angela and welcome to my Hangout. Today we are doing the annual Spring $5 Goodwill Challenge. It is hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. And so yeah, basically all we have to do is go into a Goodwill thrift store or whatever and spend up to $5 and bring some spring into your home. So I went to ours and I have to admit I kind of got lucky. So first and foremost, what I got was this really pretty little planter. So I think it is so pretty. There's nothing I have to do to it. It's already gorgeous. And it was, I can't even read it. It was $2.99. I don't know if you guys can read it or not. And it was a half off day for decor. So furniture and decor was half off. So this was actually only $1.50. And then I picked up this cute little tree. The little eggs on here are pastel-y and they are glittery, and I just think this is so cute. And this was only 99 cents. So I got it for 50 cents. So right now we're up to what, $2? So can't beat that. And I had a little bit of pocket change to spend, so this isn't really springy, but it's something that I desperately need right now. And I'm having issues right now. I bought a couch, it's on hold. I don't know why it's still on hold. It's driving me insane. So I was just looking for some cushions. I bought this actually a week before, and what it is it's a massage table. So they were having 50% off their furniture just a couple days prior to picking up their decor things that were 50% off. So this was only $4.99. Can you believe that? I mean, so I got it for $2.50. So actually I came in under budget. Can you believe that one? So $4.50 for everything. So what I had originally planned to do was take the cushions off, because there's two, because it's a folding massage table. It's in excellent condition. It's leather. And I had originally purchased this so I could make doggy beds for my dogs and just kind of have them around the house. But with my couch being gone, I'm gonna throw something together and make a couch. So wish me luck, and I can't wait to show you the progress. Okay, so this is the inside. So all I'm gonna do right now of the massage table is just take all of these cables out and all this stuff. I'm just going to remove all the hardware, and it's pretty easy. It's just a little nut up here. I've already gotten this one loosened up, so yeah, I just can't get them out of there for some reason. But this part does remove. See, there it comes out. So yeah, I'm going to do that to all of them, and let me show you what we do next. Alrighty, sorry guys, I lost a little bit of footage, but really there's not much to it. All I did was, I had some 1x1 boards out in my garage, and all I did was elevate it. So there's probably like, there's what, 4 on this side, 4 on the other, 4 in the middle. So I already had all that stuff. I just cut it down and just put it in there. And I already had all these pillows. I just bought those 2 pink ones. They're so cute. But anyway, and the backing was actually from my patio furniture, and since it's been kind of rainy and stuff lately, I have it in a tub outside, so can't really use it anyway. So I just put those in there until my couch comes. So here is my little makeshift couch for $2.50 and material that I already had. The sheet, that's just a sheet. I just put that on there. I already had that. So yeah. $2.50 for a little makeshift couch. And then this one was like way too easy to do. Little decorative piece here. All I did was put the tree literally inside of this beautiful container and put some moss around it. So I didn't even have to do a DIY with this. It was so cute, and I already had the moss. So those are my cute little bunnies. So they're just hanging out underneath their little egg tree. So yeah, that's what I was able to come up with, $4.50, under $5. I'm so proud of myself for coming under budget. Came up with a couch and a decorative piece, and yeah. So anyway, thank you so much, Hillary, for hosting this collaboration. This has been so fun, And I cannot wait to get busy and watch the playlist and see what everybody else was able to come up with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so much. And until next time, bye-bye now.